Welcome everyone, here is how to capture the moon on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So starting from the camera app, I'm just going to flip the photo mode. So I have the rear camera open. From here, you're going to tap the menu button at the left and you're going to see night mode. Tap on night mode and just tap it so that it is turned off. You're also going to tap the live button and just make sure it says live off as well. From here, you're going to tap the 8 button and then you're going to slide your finger down so it keeps on zooming in until you have the 40x zoom. Now what you're going to do is you're going to tap on the moon just like this and it should autofocus when you have the moon shot. Now what you're going to do is after you tap, slide your finger down to change the brightness level. So I'm just going to adjust it. Don't go all the way down. As you can see, it makes the moon a little bit too dark. But I like to go 75% down. And then after that, let's try that again. So after you lower the brightness enough, just tap the shutter button to take the picture. And you can see the preview in your camera roll. Now the second way is you're going to tap on the video option and just set the resolution at the bottom left to HD at 30 FPS. You will then tap the menu at the top left and you'll select exposure and you're just going to lower this one to the lowest value possible. Then start the recording, tap on the 8x zoom and just zoom all the way. This time it will be a max of 24x zoom and then tap on the moon. And then you can just bring your slider down like this. And so we'll just bring it down and you just tap the shutter button at the top right to take a picture. So we'll just do it a couple times. There we go. And I'll stop the recording. And so here are the results. So you can see this is the moon picture taken while recording videos. You can also go into your video recording and just find the right place where the recording has the best picture. And then once you find that one, so I'll just pause it. And you can just find the right one. And then you can take a screenshot. So I'll just find it here. So let's say I like this. I'll just tap on the empty space, take a screenshot, and have a picture of the moon just like that.